G'day. Today I'm taking another look at my Maverick Quantum, and in one of my earlier videos a viewer, Danielson, has explained to me that I can stop the body clips from coming out and getting lost by buying some HPI body clips and body washers, something I didn't know existed. So I went online, ordered a box of these clips and washers, and today I'm going to stick them on the car, take it out, give it a bit of a bashing, and see how well they work. Because in my previous video I did complain that I had lost a number of body clips just by driving it around, and when I say driving I mean abusing crashes, lots of cartwheels. I'm going to try these clips out and see if they're any good. So here they are. They came in a bag of 200 pieces, more than enough to go on my Quantum Maverick over here. What these little foam washers seem to do is they seem to put just a touch of tension so that when you clip these clips in, there's just a little bit of pressure holding them. It takes away the vibration of the body. And another thing that I thought of that might help with this is that when you're doing a cartwheel, there's a lot of centrifugal force acting on the car, and I imagine it's during that time, if the clips are facing with the open end inwards towards the body of the car, the centrifugal force will be pulling the clips toward the closed end rather than pulling them towards the open end. And as I've seen in some of my other videos, it's really worth considering just how much G-forces are going through one of these little cars when something goes wrong. The cartwheels, the crashes, all of that sort of stuff. Let's see how it goes. Well, hey, look at that. The body shell clips have all stayed on. Danielson, that was a great idea. Thank you for commenting. I'm going to be putting these on more of my remote control cars. I can't believe I didn't know about these in the past, but I'm glad I know now. Look at all these little seeds, great for my hay fever. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you later.